Alright everybody, we're here at Southfield Town Center and this is the elevator that goes up to the level 2 Garden Mall Shops Skywalk to 4000, as it says right there. See down there, down is the atrium all the way down there. That's where, right by that sign is where the glass elevator is. Let's take a ride on this one. Should Westinghouse or lock? Westinghouse. Phone. That door over there opened up. Phone box has seen better days. Elevator number 19. Epco Circline / AE. Let's take it up one more time. Awesome startup. And eventually it'll close up. There it goes. That'll be it.